Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best LEGO Men is probably one of the most iconic and versatile toy lines ever created, offering endless possibilities for imaginative play and creative building for both children and adults alike. These small, plastic figures have captured the hearts of generations, becoming a staple in toy boxes worldwide and inspiring countless stories and adventures. Whether you're a seasoned LEGO collector or just starting your journey into the brick-built universe, the appeal of these little characters remains undeniable, promising hours of fun and a gateway to a world limited only by your imagination. Number 5. LEGO BrickHeadz Star Wars, The Mandalorian and the Child 75317. Introducing a new collectible set featuring beloved characters from Star Wars. Build and display iconic figures of the Mandalorian and the Child. The Mandalorian figure comes equipped with his signature weapons, a blaster rifle and a blaster pistol. The Child figure features adjustable ears for a variety of expressions. Watch the Child figure float in its hoverpram, supported by transparent elements. It's a unique way to showcase this beloved character. These figures come with baseplates and don't take up much space. They are sure to make a big impression wherever you choose to display them. A fantastic addition to any Star Wars collection. This set makes a great birthday or Christmas gift for fans of all ages. What we like. This set brings together two beloved characters from a popular franchise. The ability to adjust the ears adds a unique touch of personality. If you're a fan of the series and enjoy displaying iconic duos, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The minifigure comes with a variety of accessories, including a weapon and a shield. The printing on the minifigure is very detailed and accurate, capturing the character's likeness well. The articulation of the minifigure allows for dynamic posing in play. Number 4. LEGO Marvel Infinity Gauntlet 76191. Recreate the legendary Infinity Gauntlet with this incredible LEGO set. It features all the Infinity Stones and comes with a display stand. This golden glove perfectly captures the style of Marvel's Avengers movies. Its design is inspired by Avengers, Infinity War and Endgame. With movable fingers and vibrant colors, this homage to Marvel is a true display piece. It's designed to be admired for years to come. Add an iconic touch to your office or home with this impressive building set. It's sure to be a conversation starter. Looking for a great gift for an adult or teen? This collectible is ideal for any fan of Marvel, Avengers, or model making. Enjoy a satisfying building experience as you assemble this detailed replica. It's a perfect treat for yourself or any enthusiast. What we like. Capture the power of a legendary villain with this detailed replica. The movable fingers allow for dynamic posing options. If you are looking for a striking display piece that pays homage to epic movie battles, this is the set for you. What people say. The minifigures are highly detailed and well painted, capturing the essence of the characters perfectly. The accessories included with the minifigures are numerous and add great playability, allowing for creative storytelling. The quality of the plastic is excellent, ensuring durability and longevity for the figures. Number 3. LEGO Creator Expert NASA Apollo 11 Lunar Lander 10266. Embark on an incredible journey with this detailed replica of the Apollo 11 lunar lander. It's designed for an authentic space experience, complete with a lunar surface and iconic footprints. Explore the intricate details of its modular design, featuring a descent stage with realistic landing pads and movable ladder. You can even open up camera and laser hatches for a closer look. Step inside the ascent stage, which is thoughtfully designed to accommodate two astronaut minifigures. It's finished with a special nameplate commemorating the historic Apollo 11 mission. This collector's set comes with two astronaut minifigures, complete with authentic NASA decorations and gleaming golden helmets. They're ready to recreate your favorite space moments. Once built, this impressive model serves as a fantastic centerpiece for any home or office. It offers a challenging yet rewarding building experience for adults and collectors alike. What we like. Embark on a historical space mission with this incredibly detailed model. Its modular design offers a rewarding building experience. If you are a history buff or an aspiring astronaut who appreciates intricate details and a challenging build, this set is a must-have. What people say. The figures are well detailed and capture the essence of the characters. The accessories included with the figures are a nice touch and add to the playability. The quality of the plastic is excellent, as expected from LEGO. Number 2. LEGO Botanicals Lucky Bamboo Building Set 10344. Embark on a mindful, nature-inspired building project. This DIY kit for adults offers a unique and engaging way to create something beautiful. Discover realistic features that bring this artificial plant to life. It includes a pot with a wood effect plinth, pebbles, and 3 green bamboo stems with leaves. Embrace the symbolism of good fortune. This lucky plant, representing summer in traditional art, is believed to bring prosperity to its owners. Once completed, it becomes a maintenance-free artificial indoor plant. Add a touch of tranquility and natural beauty to any room in your home. Enhance your building experience with both printed and digital instructions. The LEGO Builder app provides an interactive way to assemble your creation. This makes an ideal gift for any plant lover or gardener in your life. It's a thoughtful present for various occasions like Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, or housewarmings. What we like. Bring a touch of nature and tranquility into your home with this unique build. It offers a maintenance-free, lifelike plant decoration. If you enjoy calming, creative projects and want to add a touch of serene beauty to your desk or office, this is the perfect set. What people say. The minifigure heads are interchangeable, allowing for customization. The set includes a variety of accessories like weapons and tools, enhancing playability. Each figure is designed with unique printing and detailing, making them stand out. Number 1. LEGO Marvel Spider-Man's Drone Duel 76195. Make your Marvel fan the envy of their friends with this exciting playset. It takes the battle action high into the sky for epic adventures. This set comes with 2 legendary minifigures, Spider-Man and Vulture, ready to inspire hours of imaginative play. Plus, a cool drone with stud shooters. Kids can attach Spider-Man to the drone's underside with a web for thrilling aerial and ground adventures. The possibilities for play are endless. Looking for a standout birthday or holiday gift? This playset is ideal for Marvel movie fans aged 7 and up. It's a gift they'll love. This versatile playset integrates easily with other LEGO Marvel building kits, expanding the universe of imaginative play. Build it, then play with it. Like all LEGO Marvel building toys, this set provides premium quality playsets designed for endless imaginative fun. You can trust the quality. What we like. Get ready for high-flying superhero action with this dynamic playset. It comes with 2 iconic characters for endless imaginative adventures. If you're looking for an exciting gift for a young fan that encourages active play and can be combined with other sets, this is an excellent option. What people say. The minifigure is highly detailed and comes with accessories. The build quality is excellent, as expected from LEGO. The character design is faithful to the source material. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.